You just broke the law. ¿Lo estoy grabando?
Sí.
They didn't read me my Miranda rights. I'm being detained under what? For breaking what law?
You're being detained because we're investigating an assault.
Breaking what law? What law did I break?
Assault.
Yeah, and did you get proof that he assaulted me first?
No, you came at my partner here.
No, I did not.
Yeah,
I had my hands open.
Yeah, you're
I had my hands open. They just assaulted me for no reason. I was not resisting. I was grabbing my phone out. They didn't even let me grab my phone out. They didn't even read me my Miranda rights or anything. That man, ponle la cámara ese güey. He's assaulting me. Why are you putting force on my hand? I'm not even resisting you, bro.
Calm down.
Then fucking chill the fuck out. You think that doesn't hurt?
What's your name?
Kevin.
Kevin?
Yeah.
He's cool. So we gotta call. There's something going on. Okay?
Yeah, he assaulted me because my car was parked right there.
So we have to come and we have to ask him every question.
Yeah, that's good because that's your job, right? Yeah, that is your job. Number one, they didn't read my Miranda rights, and that's breaking the law.
Kevin,
because I know my rights.
I'm not asking you questions right now about any crime you committed. I'm explaining what's happening to you, so I'm not violating the Fourth Amendment.
Well, they are right now because they didn't read my Miranda rights. They didn't give me a cause for any.
Can you let me talk to finish?
Sure.
Okay. We get a call about an assault going on. We have to come. Our number one secret.
Right,
our
and,
number
you,
one
and you assume he's the victim
you
because
gonna- are you gonna let
why?
me
Because
finish?
he's white and I'm Mexican.
We get a call about
That's
an assault.
fucking racist as fuck.
We get a call about an assault. We have to come and talk to everybody. We have to make sure everybody
Right, and you
is
put me in cuffs
separate.
first for
The
no
reason
reason.
you're in cuffs is because you were coming at me failing to
Are you
listen to my
shitting me?
commands. Listen.
Oh, you put my
Failing to
hands
listen
open.
to my
You
commands.
didn't read my Miranda rights. You didn't
Okay.
say, hey, you're
I
on.
don't have
You
to
didn't say,
read you.
yes, you
Listen.
do.
I don't
Yes,
have to
you
read you.
fucking
Okay.
do.
Let me know when you're ready to listen.
Can you like listen so I can take my watch off? It's like burning my wrist.
Take that.
Can I just like take my watch off? He assaulted me.
Mami, graba, por favor.
No, can you go ahead?
He assaulted me. This chick ran up to me. This cop right here ran up to me for no reason. Because, I don't know, she just ran up to me. I had my hands open, literally.
Well, how come?
How come what?
What?
The manager pushed me because I was parked over there and he got in my face and pushed me. And then they just assumed that I assaulted him. He got in my face and pushed me because he said I was parked right there on the grass. And then he said that I'm ruining their grass. And that was there before I even parked there.
Sigue grabando.
Sí.
Right now.
Yeah, under no probable cause. That's illegal.
You guys can record, but you just need to step back for our safety, okay? Thank you.
No importa. Es mi derecho, puedo grabarlo. Sí.
We have had a lot of history with that man. He's
Yeah,
fucking
he's a
verbally
fucking prick.
abused. So this is not the first time. He has verbally abused my sister and other people already.
Yeah, you can ask anybody who lives here. He's a piece of shit.
Kevin, look, my name's Kevin too, alright? I'm being real with you. Alright? The reason he put you in handcuffs is because you started coming at my car.
I was walking
Just-
toward her.
and right now, you're not even being
Because I
arrested,
talked to
okay?
her.
We're finding out both sides of the story. Alright? We're just finding out what's going on.
Can you help me take my watch off at least?
Skip the quiet for now, please. Just skip the quiet for now. Find out all the sides. Find out what happened. Okay, just put this in your pocket then.
Tranquilo, hijo. Agárralo, mami, nada más así agárralo, ¿ok? Que me la pongo. Está